Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe, to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today we are going to talk about how you can start a detergent manufacturing business in South Africa. So guys, I came across the company called Wiz Mix. So they actually specialize in manufacturing machines that manufacture detergents. So they sell them. So if you want to start this particular business, there are the people that you can go to and take them out about the machines and all the things that is required for you to get started with this particular business. Unfortunately, they are based in KZN in West Smith. So if you're in Limpopo, Mpumalanga, or Gauteng, or it can be Cape Town, you can search for other companies. I'm sure you can be able to find the companies that are actually suitable for you. So guys, I'm going to read through here on their website because I do not want to exclude any information or to add my own information. So I will read what I feel that is important, but if you want to check it out, you can actually visit them at www.wizmix.co.za. So guys, I will leave their link on my description. So let's get to it. So okay, why should you choose Wiz Mix? So that is the first question that you should ask yourself before you can choose that. Okay, Wiz Mix is the company that you would like to buy the machines from or to actually get training from. So okay, they said that this business opportunity will give you this business will give you the opportunity to make between 2,000 to 10,000 per day. That is what they say. And then they say that the startup costs are low, and then you can save on rent because you can actually work from home. So I think their machines are actually portable, whereby you can install them by your house, or they are not too big whereby they require you to actually rent out a factory or a huge space so you can work from home. So you also can work flexible hours. Yes, flexible hours. It can be part-time or full-time. It's all up to you. So they have unlimited growth potential, and then they also give you an opportunity to build your own brand. So okay, what I like about this is that Wiz Mix is on the government central database. So it means that they are also registered with the NYDA. So if you do not have money to actually purchase one of these machines, you can actually apply for funding at NYDA. So then you can be able to buy the machine so that you can start this particular business. And Wiz Mix has proven a track record of highly successful trainees. So they also train you guys. So when they train you, they will give you a certificate of attendance. So what else should we know about this? So okay, what do you get when you purchase Wiz Mix? So you will get a detergent mixing machine with 200 liters mixing capacity. So at least you will be getting something big. I think it's nice for a startup. And then there's also 200 liters drum with tap, and then there's also a safety kit. There's over 30 different liquid detergents formulas. So I think with this one you can be able to make what do you call this, handy what else, what you call this thing that you use to wash the toilet? What do you call this thing? Domestos, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's Domestos. You can also make car shampoos and all that. So and then There's also 1 day intensive training program. So in 1 day you will be able to know how you can actually operate this machine. And then there's also a list of suppliers of raw chemicals and bottles. So it's much better because you won't have to actually do your own research when you want to get suppliers and where you can buy bottles from. And then there's also marketing tips, so that is good. And as I mentioned, they will give you a certificate of attendance on completion. So in that 1 day that you are going to attend the training, after that completion they will give you a certificate of attendance to show that okay, you did attend the training and you qualify, or you know what you are doing. And then the training is free for you and your partner. So if you've got a business partner, then it's good because they will train you both. So guys, I think that's all that we should know about this company. And then as I mentioned to you guys, that I will leave the link on my description so that you can be able to check it out for yourself before you can do anything. So that's it for today, and I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye.